Este diumenge, 26 de maig, tingué lloc la 19a edició del Rastro Solidari de Picanya, un esdeveniment que se celebra al nostre poble des de 1995 i en el que fins a 17 entitats i col·lectius del nostre municipi muntaren paradetes on trobar de tot, artesania, roba, manualitats, plantes, menjars, begudes i per damunt de tot, il·lusió. Il·lusió per un món millor. Com ja sabeu, els fons recaptats aniran destinats a ajudar a aquelles persones en situacions més difícils i serà el Consell per la Solidaritat i el Voluntariat de Picanya, integrat per representants de diferents associacions i entitats del nostre poble, el que decidirà la destinació d'aquests fons.
Hit snooze, just 5 more minutes, please. You're such a sleepyhead, and that works for me, that works for me. Maybe we shouldn't sleep till noon, and we have things to do, but they can't wait, let's let them wait. Under the covers, wait for me. Wait for me. Ready, set, stay. Ready, set, don't go away. Ready, set, stay forever. Stay, stay, stay. Ready, set, stay. Ready, set, love me all day. Stay forever. Stay, stay, stay. Let's stay under these cotton waves, calling to work and say, you won't go today, ain't no way. Download our favorite TV shows, rubbing nose and nose, till the sun goes down again. Under the covers, wait for me. Wait for me. Ready, set, stay. Ready, set, don't go away. Ready, set, stay forever. Stay, stay, stay. Ready, set, stay. Ready, set, love me all day. Stay forever. Stay, stay. I'll be so warm here in your arms. So take a snapshot before life gets us back in the race. Ready, set, stay. Ready, set, don't go away. Ready, set, stay forever. Stay, stay, stay. Ready, set, stay. Ready, set, love me all day. Stay forever. Stay, stay, stay. Stay forever. Stay, stay, stay. Stay forever. Stay, stay, stay.